Everything is same. It's quantitative readings. Okay, shaft. We will make shaft. Lower specific, upper specific, sample consider. Okay, we need quantitative data. We need to enter the runout. So basically, this matrix 1 millimeter will be measured. Okay, and here just a small, we will make one small, only 2 mm will not be required. Upper one here also. Just see this. So that are the prerequisites for performing or creating calibration work order. Impeller, case and shaft. PMIS we have created. So we will go for our plan maintenance activities. So let's start with the plan maintenance. So first of all, we need to create the task list and we need to add that activities, calibration of impeller, casing and shaft. So we code to create the task list /n-ia0. Okay. So create equipment task list is asking equipment yes, and profile will be plan maintenance. Just enter. Okay. So compressor group counter 1, group is 27. This is number or range of task list. Okay, usage I will use for plan maintenance. Planner group I will select any planner. Okay, status will be release. Okay, and system condition will be not in operation. Whenever this activity perform on the equipment, it should be shut down. And I will select as a time-based status. Okay, just enter. And most important point, QM data. So for calibration order, you need to attach inspection point. So it will be PPQM. PM says PM inspection of equipment 300. Okay. So I will just check. Okay. So we have done everything. We will just go to our operation. And operation, we will add our operation. First will be calibration of impeller, calibration of shaft, calibration of. Second is I will make calibration of. Okay, second we have done shaft or casing.
Casing.
It's casing. Okay, it's not mandatory, but for our training purpose, I will keep some sequential. Okay. Okay. So I need to update just on the edge. Duration 3 hours. So one person will perform it. Okay. Okay. Once we have updated this, again, important thing, we need to attach our MIS. Okay, just click and PPQM integration point. We need to add for sampling procedure. So just select operation and just click on inspection characteristics. Okay. So here you will find MIS, master inspection characteristics. Just search our characteristic. Okay. So which characteristics we have created for first characteristics? Impeller, right? Okay, just search for impeller.
Printer, we can.
Or we can directly add. Okay, no. Sometimes system take time to update. Okay. Calibration of impeller sampling procedure. Okay, it's PPQM. Sorry, PMQM. So this is integration with land maintenance, quality management. Okay, just select second. Select some characteristics. Just search for casing is there. Otherwise, directly because system will take some time. Okay. Enter. Investigation. That third. Third is sharp. Just select out characteristics. Okay. Okay. So we have added everything. Means MIS we have added. So whenever we perform this system will take the reference of MIS and system will fetch the data. What is the lower and higher value we have updated?
Okay.
And system will give the error that it's good or bad or it's within a range. So basically, I will just monthly we are performing this act. It's very random. So it's again totally depend upon the case to case. Okay, I will go ahead and I will just save this. Okay, improvement save. Okay, so next step, we have created task list. Task list. Just task. Then maintenance plan. Then okay. Right now we will proceed for creation of the maintenance plan and we will attach the task list to that maintenance plan. Okay. So basically this maintenance plan we will proceed for creation of calibration orders.
Okay.
So we'll do one thing like A01. And here I will attach for IP. So let's start to create. And this is very standard procedure. That's an IP 42. So we will create the strategy. So it will be maintenance order and strategy will be time based. Just enter and we will perform calibration of compressor. So here we need to give our equipment. So compressor. Equipment. Again, important thing, system is asking order type. So here order type should be calibration work. This you need to know. Okay. And here you need to do the priority medium, and we need to give that task list which we have created, calibration task. You just execute. The system will show all the task list of that equipment. Okay, so this is 27. So you can see once you attach, this is calibration of impeller, and we have attached MIS also. Yes, here is the revolution per minute target value, lower specification, and upper specification. All data get. After that, we will proceed for next. So we need to create this maintenance plan. We need to update the details like call horizon, scheduling, 1 year we will schedule. Startup cycle will be today itself. It's time. Scheduling indicator will be time. Okay. And, then I will go to the maintenance plan management data, sort 3000 authorization group. So who will authorize to perform this activity. Okay. And I will just save this. Okay, so 235. If you want to see the maintenance plan, the decode will be IP0. That's just IP03 or in 02. You want to change. You have done something wrong. Then you can see. You can change that. That's all. I will just go back. Okay. Right now, we need to create the calibration order with the help of this maintenance plan. So we can schedule the maintenance plan. IP10 is the default to schedule the maintenance plan. You can just start up cycle. So this is startup cycle. Okay. See, this plan and audit and new package has been updated. So I will just save. I will run the background job, that is RIST RE. That's an IP30 is the default to run background job. Just IP30. My plan is 35. I will schedule for 30 days and just execute. So let's see. System should provide the order. We can give the 60, 90 days, whatever dates we want to create the orders. And once we get the order, we can go to IW32 and we can check the order. Everything is okay. And again, there is okay. This is the order. So if you want to see how many orders this maintenance plan created, the code is IP24. Here also you will get the order. This is the order, and we can see via IP20. I will just go to just enter our plan. Okay.
Okay.
This is the order. So whenever the system runs the background job, this order will be updated in IP24 here. We will see the multiple orders. So I will just go to my order /IW32. So let's see what are the tasks has been updated. Okay. So in operation, you will see calibration of impeller casing. And if you want, you can add the component also. If you want any component for that operation. Okay. So we are good. So here you will see release and inspection lot assigned. So itself